Good morning, students. Welcome back to the third period of English lectures. Today I'll start with grammar part. In grammar, we will start with writing skills. The main topics of writing skills are notice writing, diary writing, dialogue writing, poster writing, advertisement writing, report writing, email writing, letter writing, essay writing, story writing. First six topics are carrying 4 marks, 7th and 8th 5 marks, 9th and 10th 7 marks. Here in all these topics you will be having internal options except for report writing. We will cover all these topics one by one. Today I am starting with notice writing. You have already studied in 9th standard. Let's recall it. What is notice writing? It is a written or printed form of formal message conveyed or made to everyone. That is, it is a piece of written information which is given to a large group of people related to activities such as tournament, cultural events held in your schools and societies, renovation work of society, renovation work related to school, etc. Rules. It should be factual, truth-based, precise, accurate, and to the point. You must keep your sentences short and use simple words. Use passive voice, that is use of verb 3. Never use words like I, we, me, your, yours. Instead, use word are. Always enclose notice in a square box. There is a wide range of topics of notice which are frequently used. They are notice for any function in your head going to be held in your society, any upcoming event or event to be held in your school, in city. Notice for picnics, tours, visits to exhibition, fair, lost and found items, change in uniform, fee structure, library rules, general instructions such as society meeting, society renovation work, etc. Now format of notice. This is the written format of the notice. Name of the institution you can see. Here I have printed use capital letters, that is CS Vidya Bharati English School. This institution name or any institution name, organization name, firm name, it must be in capital letters. Date, it should be written in number, months in word, and then year, and always on the left side. Heading or title, it should be according to the main idea on which the notice is based, that is inter-school singing competition, debate competition, cultural events, renovation work, etc. Content of the body, it should contain all the necessary information which includes 5 W's: who, what, when, where, whom. This will be very easy when we do an example. Sign, whoever is responsible for issuing the notice, he or she will sign. In case a name is not mentioned, assume yourself as XYZ, your name. If name is given in the notice, suppose Ruhi or Rohit, then use that name. If nothing is there, then you can use this XYZ or ABC. Designation, that is the post who is writing the notice. Now this is the format of the notice. You can see the name of the institution or organization, heading. Notice this word must be written compulsory in capital letters. Date, month, year. Here I have written 18th May 2020. You cannot write 18.05.2020. It should be on the left side. Heading and title must be given. Content of the notice, signature, name, designation. Now this entire notice is placed in a box as I told you. It carries 4 marks, half mark for title, 1 mark for proper format, 1.5 marks for content, 1 mark for language and presentation. Now one example. You are Ruhi or Rahul, head girl or head boy of ABC Convent School. Your school is going to organize an inter-school singing competition. Draft the notice inviting names of all the interested students. Here ABC Convent School is written in capital letters. As I told you, name of the institution, organization, firm must be in capital letters. Notice word is printed. This must always be in capital letter. Date on the left side, 18th May in word 2020. Inter-school singing competition, that is the title. Content, this is to inform all the students of our school that an inter-school singing competition is going to be held in our school from August 1 to August 10, 2020. Many schools across the city will participate in this competition. Students from class 9 to 12 can apply by submitting their names to their music teacher. This competition will be held in our school auditorium Further information related to selection process and auditions will be provided by the music teacher. Sign, name, designation. Now here 5 W's. Who is issuing the first one is who? Who is issuing the notice? ABC Convent School. It can be any school, any organization. What is the notice about? It is about the inter-school singing competition. It can be a debate competition, cultural event, anything. When it is going to be held? August 1 to August 10. Where? In our school auditorium. Place is school auditorium venue. Whom you must contact for further details? Your music teacher. So these are the 5 W's which I was telling you, that for writing the content 5 W's are important. Example 2. Water supply will be suspended for 8 hours 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 30th of May 2020 for cleaning of the water tank. Write a notice advising the residents to store water for a daily. You are Ankita or Ankit, the secretary of the housing society. XYZ Housing Society is the name of the society. Notice in capital letter. Date, suspended water supply is the title. On account of cleaning the water tank, the water supply in our society will remain suspended for 8 hours 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. on 30th May 2020. All the residents are requested to store water in advance to meet their daily needs. This inconvenience caused is deeply regretted. Sign, name of the person, secretary. Now here also 5 W's. Who is issuing the notice? XYZ Housing Society. What is the notice about? Suspended water supply. When it is going to be suspended? That is date and time. Date is 30th May, time 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. Where means where this water supply will be suspended? In your society. Whom to contact for further details? You can contact your secretary. Students, hereby notice writing topic is completed. Go through the examples thoroughly. Thank you.